Hi, welcome to the Progwhiz Secure QR Code ID Stationary Scanner, the web app version. It works on any browser, on any device, and any operating system without requiring it to be installed. This scanner decodes our secure QR code to then retrieve the metadata and information relevant to the ID associated with the QR code. The core features of the scanner is one, it can use any webcam using USB or a streaming IP camera, either wired or wireless. Also has the ability to work offline, so you only need to interface with the internet once to sync and then use for undisclosed unlimited period of time offline until such time the internet connection is reliable. You can post the history to the cloud to permit reporting. Also, it can take a snapshot of the person presenting the ID to permit verification audit if and when it requires attention. Lastly, it also has the ability to interface with electronic locks to permit access only to valid ID cards. So now we're going to fill in the required fields. So we entered the email and the password. The codec we leave as default. We won't be using locks in this particular example. We will be using a webcam. So the scanning camera will be a webcam in this case. We won't be looking at taking the photo in this particular example. And then the scan webcam. We have a list, and right now we have connected two, so we can use the USB one. And now we'll press start scanner to start scanning. And there we have it. The scan was successful and presented the relevant ID. Here we have a bare unit of the stationary ID scanner. And once you present the ID, the information is presented.